Hello and welcome to Technology Update. On today's show, nano Trojan horses breach cancer's defences. I become the cool kid in the class. And we take the shaman out for a spin. But first, the rapid uptake of powerful tablets and smartphones means that the line between virtual and reality is becoming even more blurred. Update. Summer's come early this year in Moscow, and there are few better places to enjoy the sun than in the capital's famous Gorky Park. For those more appropriately dressed for the weather than me, it's the perfect place to play games, read a good book, or just kick back and relax. And anyone with a smartphone or tablet, which let's face it is most people these days, can take a stroll down memory lane and see the park as it was last century. The Historama mobile app lets visitors dive into the past by scanning any of the 5 markers dotted around the park, turning iOS and Android devices into mobile portals into the past. The markers in the park tell the app the user's location. It then shows a historic panorama of images taken from that spot decades ago, resurrecting ghostly figures from the past and turning back the hands of time on some of today's visitors. Well, maybe not quite. The company behind the blast from the past is PlayDisplay. Here in their central Moscow office, the 3-year-old firm is riding the augmented reality wave. Originally a military technology, AR has filtered its way down to the man in the park with the appearance of powerful pocket processors. It adds layers of digital data on top of items in the world around us, and the possibilities range from visualizing future building complexes to more immersive gaming experiences. Design is at the forefront of the company's philosophy, and this is perhaps most evident in their markers. These are the images detected by the camera and on top of which virtual overlays are placed. Complex algorithms mean that pretty much anything can be used as a marker, a far cry from the unsightly black and white barcodes used not so long ago.
Our main goal is to display information while having fun, hence our name, PlayDisplay. So our presentations, installations and other solutions are all very vivid, attractive and amusing. Our technologies can be used anywhere where you need to create a powerful and lasting impression on your target audience.
PlayDisplay's portfolio doesn't need any augmenting. One of the company's most successful projects lets exhibition visitors explore airports dotted around the country without having to fly there. The company also uses AR tech to bring children's drawings and textbooks to life. PlayDisplay has offices in St. Petersburg, Kazakhstan, the UAE and Spain, with more popping up all the time. The company's experience in branding, printed and interactive design and 3D graphics has led to partnerships with the likes of Samsung, Coca-Cola and Renault. With hundreds of projects already under its belt, PlayDisplay has its sights firmly set on the future.
In the near future, we're planning to open offices in the US. We have a startup that we're taking over there. At the moment, we have a new project that's already in the prototype stage. We're developing the world's first museum of augmented reality, according to our understanding of the idea. It will be an empty space with symbols on the walls. Each visitor will be able to see the museum's exhibits using virtual reality devices, or more specifically, with the help of augmented reality glasses.
And if AR glasses were to become part of everyday life, this is how we think the world might look. Smartphones and tablets are only going to get more powerful, opening up the way for even more seamless augmented reality experiences, potentially revolutionizing the way we work, rest and play. So if you ever find that reality isn't quite exciting enough, why not augment it?